Hey you, thanks for joining me on this episode of Research Detective. Nervous about your assignment on Supreme Court cases? Don't be. After this video, you're going to navigate databases like a boss. Let's jump right in. From JWooLink, click on Library, and then the big blue button. Keywords don't have to be tricky. Think of them as step one in the detective process. They're basically just words about your topic. I'm going to keep it simple by entering Supreme Court. Here's where we have to do a bit of detective work because, whoa, over 250,000 results. Let's limit to full text so we can read all the articles we find online, and let's keep it in the 21st century, shall we? Specifically the last 5 years. Okay, sweet. We've cut it a lot, but there's still like an overwhelming amount of articles. I just need to narrow it down a little bit because my topic is way broad. Let's add in freedom of speech. Less than 1,000, down from 250,000, not bad at all. I'm going to scroll down the titles on the first page and click on the first one that looks relevant to see if any subject terms help me refine my topic. Decoding student speech rights. This one looks good. The author is hyperlinked, which is great if they've written more than one article on the same topic. The source is the Golden Gate University Law Review. That's the journal, which I can click on and search within. Then we have subject terms, which are super specific, and they're also hyperlinked, so I can click through, and it's a super awesome way of narrowing your topic to something very refined. Freedom of speech has its own subject term, but what about this? It's a specific Supreme Court that was highlighted in the syllabus. That's awesome. I'm going to take a quick peek at the abstract. It looks like this is talking about what types of school-targeted speech would warrant disciplinary action. Okay, I definitely want to read this article, so I'm going to email it to myself. Before I do, I'm going to save some time by choosing the citation format. The professor said MLA. Perfect. Just going to pop in my email and click send. Awesome. I do want to see what happens if I click on that specific case. 83, let's limit to full text again, and let's keep it in the last 5 years. Interesting, 44 super relevant results on free speech with respect to student rights. Okay. Click on this last one. Looks like I have urban lawyer. Now I'm curious, what happens if I click through to the journal, add in freedom of speech by searching within this publication, and clicking search? Even more targeted results. Sweet! Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Research Detective. And remember, have a question? Ask away. We live for research.